Yna i groesawu pawb i gyfarfod cyntaf o Senedd Ieuenctid Cymru.
From financial education informing students on the value of money and on financial concepts such as inflation, mortgages and taxes, to diversity and inclusion lessons.
A designated lesson at least once a fortnight, as well as life skills lessons within other subjects. Adopting these approaches would help ensure that the demand for frequent life skills education is met.
It is absolutely clear to me from your report, and we've heard it again this afternoon, very clear to me and to a government that we need to be doing more to support our teachers.
1 in every 10 young persons suffers with mental health issues on a daily basis, and this issue is on the rise.
You are not alone. I'm Casey. I have mental health issues and my mind is never quiet.
I urge you all to think of a time when you were in a bad place and never thought you'd feel better again.
Firstly, significant improvements are needed to raise awareness.
Schools should increase the amount of time that counsellors are available to support young people.
Certainly the secret in my early learning here is that early intervention is absolutely clear, key.
I'm hoping to address something that hopefully should be quite clear an issue to you all, the issue of climate change.
This is an emergency, which is still just about solvable. Let's help do something about it.
O'n gwaith ymgynghori, rydym wedi gweld bod angen cymryd camau ymarferol ac mwyn mynd I afal asbwgiel a gwastraff plastig yn y tymor byr, a symud ymlaen ag frydeg gyda strategaethau fynd at wraidd y broblem yn y tymor hir.
This work has been really helpful in terms of giving government an insight into what young people in particular are thinking with regards to reducing litter and tackling plastic waste.
Roedd yn rhydydd I fi I fedru cydweithio gyda aelodau'r Senedd, gyda mudiadau pobl ifanc a gyda pobl ifanc I hunain wrth ethol Senedd Ieuenctid Gyntaf Cymru.
I've always believed that children and young people need a voice in decisions that affect them.
Nid yw eich llais yn cael digon o sylw bob amser, ond o rando, cawn, persbectif newydd, clir sy'n mynd yn syth I wraidd y mater.
I think if I was to pick out two things that stand out for me, the first would be your committee reports, which have been outstanding and have had a huge impact.
Gwn mai dim ond dechrau mae eich daith chi bob un, ac y byddwch yn gwneud gwahaniaeth cadarnhaol pa bynnag drywydd y byddwch yn ei ddilyn nesaf.
Mae eich egni chi, eich anger, a'ch ymroddiad yn rhoi I mi fydd bod dyfodol Cymru mewn dwylo da.
Diolch felly a phob hwyl i'r dyfodol. Ac I roes I Senedd Ieuenctid Cymru.